One of the big debates heading into 2024 was how many times the Federal Reserve would cut interest rates. This chart tracks the market's rate cut forecast. So if you look on the left-hand side there, this is looking back to the start of Q4 2023. Back then, the market expected the Federal Reserve to cut interest rates 75 basis points this year. But by the end of December, the market's rate cut forecast for the entirety of 2024 had doubled, went from 75 basis points to 1.5%. Now, based on a typical rate cut increment of just 25 basis points, so investors came into this year expecting that the Fed was going to cut interest rates 6 times, quarter point each, for a total of 1.5% interest rate reduction this year. In contrast, the Federal Reserve itself, with its own forecast, it never bought into any of that. The Fed only expected 3 interest rate cuts at the start of the year, or half of what the market was expecting. And there was this debate over whose interest rate cut forecast was going to be more accurate. As of the end of quarter one, it looks like the central bank won out. It looks like the Fed's forecast appears to be more accurate. So investors have kind of fallen in line. Now investors only expect 3 interest rate cuts this year as well.